If you're just joining us here, if you're busy today and didn't pay attention, you missed another one. All right, stocks rocked for a second straight day. Every S&P sector finished down. The question is this: how do you position yourself for tomorrow, Guy Adami? You don't have any futures yet. We don't have any Asia yet. We will have a special tonight, by the way. We'll get those trades. Any way to position yourself tonight?
Well, Dan made, and I watched some of the special last evening.
Great job.
Outstanding job. And they had pretty much outlined what was going to happen. I think tomorrow what you're rooting for is a down open and then followed by a rally. We've seen that before. I think tomorrow's your relief rally day. You hope it opens lower and you get a bounce in some of these names that have been drubbed. Not to suggest that the market can't go low over the next couple of weeks. Tomorrow's your bounce day.
I think you'd like to see yields kind of stabilize a little bit. I think it's been pretty unsettling over the last couple of days. We've seen 1.5 breached and then this new all-time low at 1.35 in the or 1.33, I think, in the 10-year Treasury yield. I think that's something that kind of may help equities.
What is that telling us, Dan?
Well, listen, I mean, we've all been talking about this for months and months. I mean, to me, it's been a pretty clear sign if you go back and look at the last time we were at these levels, 2016, 2012, there were some serious growth fears in Europe in 2012, in China in 2016. And I think that move from, we started the year or ended last year at 2% on the 10-year Treasury all the way down here. I think it was telling us something before this virus.
But this is all coronavirus, right? So to be clear, and well, I'm both asking the question because we have to say if this is all coronavirus, this is a case where you're looking at a 20 relative strength indicator on the S&P, which is about as oversold as we've been. If you look at where yields had their last significant move lower, and it wasn't the summertime move, but September 3 into October 3, and then, of course, the S&P went on a 16% run. Right. So you get to a place here where markets digest this news, had to take a breath. We were all in agreement markets needed to take a breath. Just reminding of that point.
But that's not going to happen tomorrow. I actually don't think we know where we are yet. And if you look at how coronavirus works, we still don't know how big a problem this is. And it's going to take us weeks, if not months, to figure this out.
We just don't know.
Listen, down opening to 30-30, yield stabilized, then you bounce. That's the trade.
Down open 30-30, yield stabilized, and you bounce. All right, good stuff.